everyone, I really hope that you're doing well. Today you join me in a little bit of a different setting. We're at the bedside, we're just chilling and we're having a little chat. There's a little bit of a life update that is sort of impending in me life, and I thought it would be good to sort of let you all know what's happening, because it might take a little turn in what content I'm going to be producing. So it's probably in the title. I mean, it will be. I am moving out. Yeah, so I am going to be moving out of my family home. I made videos hinting at it, I think probably a year ago now, and we are finally at a place where it's happening. Basically, I'm probably moving out end of the year to literally in the new year. It's very, very exciting times. So what will that impact in terms of my channel? I wanted to do kind of renovation or some sort of DIY kind of thing. It's something I'm really, really interested in, but there's only so much I can do with this little sort of shoebox room. So I'm really, really excited to sort of stick my teeth into what is going to be a really nice little project for me and Tom. We're moving into a flat, but it has a garden. Yeah, it's a really nice sort of starter. I'm so excited. It's very much livable and it's lovely, but I think we're really excited to kind of put our stamp on it. It's in such a good location, which is amazing, and we're just really excited for the next chapter. I'll definitely be very excited to make some different kind of content for you all. Feel free to pop down below kind of what you want to see in terms of the new place. Black Friday came at a good time. I got myself a new Hoover. I got the cordless shark. I'm living all my Mrs. Hinch fantasies, let's just say that. So yeah, packing and everything. When that's gonna happen, I don't know. It seems very intimidating right now. I don't know if I've been very specific. I'm moving in with my boyfriend. We've been together coming up 4.5 years, so I feel like we're ready to have kind of our own space together. I know this is probably like a really small video, but I thought, why not like pre-film something like this for one of those weeks when I'm really busy and I just don't get a video up. Why not at least give you a little something, a little, you know, a little chunk of life from myself, me good self. So that's probably when this will get dropped. It's probably going to be in the next like week or so. Big life change, and I'm just so excited to get started. I'm sorry it's a really short video, but I don't know what else to say. I'm moving from one place to another. Why not come along with me? Get subscribed for that new content that will be coming. I'm excited to live out me Loft NQ fantasies. If you don't follow that Instagram, I want all the vinyl. All the vinyl is all I'm gonna say. Get subscribed so you can see our moving and renovations adventure. Very exciting times. Click a like if you're excited for us. I'm excited. I'd love to know how many times I've said that I'm excited, but I am. Have a lovely rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!